Okay, this is a 97 Infiniti Q45, I think. I got to wire in some headlights. It's got aftermarket ones. That tire looks terrible. It's got aftermarket ones in there, and something with the wiring. So I got to get it apart first, but I want to hook the battery up. See if I can scan any codes. I don't know what all this is. I don't know what that is. This has an immobilizer problem as well. I'm pretty sure I can't handle that. I'm going to take a quick look though. I tried to help this guy out over the phone. So I am going to take a few minutes to take a look at it. I zip tied that the hood switch down. That can affect the theft system. So first thing I'm going to do is hook this battery up and see if I can get any kind of codes out of this. Alright, just wanted to note this, how awesome this is here. And it's tight, but yeah, you got there some kind of nest. I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get any codes out of it because the battery was disconnected, but we'll see. I'm hooked up here and I'll put the key in. Right, security light is not flashing right now. I don't think, right? Can't really tell. Yeah. But I'm not getting any. Okay, never mind. I think it is. Alright. It wasn't doing it at first. It might just be a little slow. Or maybe I'm a little slow. Let's see if I can talk. And Infiniti. I don't know if this supports automatic, attempting automatic. Okay, come on. I haven't checked the headlights to see if they work. I mean, that's sticking out. I don't know what's up with that, but I'm going to let this do its thing. I'm going to check in the trunk for the headlights that I got to put in it and get back. Alright, for now I'm going to skip the code read as I have to see if I have my adapter here. I'm pretty sure I do have my adapters, but the OBD2 port's not giving me anything that I need. So, pretty sure these headlights don't work. Wonderful. I don't know what that is. 3. This probably goes in here, I'm hoping. Looks like fun. So these are the wrong headlights, but he still wants me to try to wire them in. I'm not sure I can. This is goes here for the marker or the corner light. This is your headlight, and this is the high beam. So I'm going to have to try to get one system to work without the other. This is the system for these headlights that he wants me to use, right? Without daytime running lights. Now, I don't know if you can see here. Right there, that's the high beam, which is this one here. On the old one, the high beam it's all inside here. There's one connection. So I'm going to get a plan together, and then I'm going to see if he really wants me to do this, because on this one, this is just run by headlamp relay, right? Which this vehicle is not equipped with these this vehicle is not equipped with these headlamps, right? This is the one that it's equipped with from the factory, okay? And it has a daytime running light control unit, left front shock tower. Let me go in here real quick. You can see the headlamps are run off of that. Okay, that's your headlamps. And I'm assuming that these, I don't know, I gotta find what the other one is, what the other connector. Parking brake, switch lever, blah blah blah. I'm pretty sure. Well, here's the high beam, right? Which is, that's the high beam indicator. And this is illumination time control switch. I don't know what that is. But I don't see the corner lamp on here. I might have to go through a different wiring diagram. And anti-theft, he's concerned about the anti-theft. That's for the flashing lights and everything. I don't know. I always get the really good ones.